Filipino question words. The following are the 5 Filipino question words discussed in this video. The first one is sino, which translates to who in English, and this is used to ask for the identity of a person. The second one is ano, which translates to what in English, and this is used to ask for information about something, such as a thing, action, or situation. The third one is saan, which translates to where in English, and this is used to ask for a location or place. The fourth one is kailan, which means when, and is used to ask for a specific time or date. And the fifth one is bakit or why. This is used to ask for a reason or an explanation. The first one that we have here is the Filipino question word sino or who in English. Sino ang pumunta sa tindahan? Who went to the store? Pumunta means like went, that's past tense. The root word is punta, and then a tindahan is a store. So sino ang pumunta sa tindahan? Sino ang iyong paboritong artista? Who is your favorite artist? When we say paborito, that's favorite. And then an artista is an artist. So sino ang iyong paboritong artista? Sino ang nanalo sa laro? Who won the game? Nanalo is like won. And then a laro is a game. Sino ang nanalo sa laro? Sino ang nagluto ng pagkain? Who cooked the food? When we say luto, that's to cook, and then a pagkain is a food. Sino ang nagluto ng pagkain? Sino ang nagbigay sa'yo ng regalo? Who gave you the gift? Bigay is give, and then a regalo is a gift. Sa iyo ng regalo, you the gift. Sino ang nagbigay sa'yo ng regalo? Another one is the Filipino question word ano, which translates to who in English. Ano ang iyong pangalan? What's your name? When we say pangalan, that's name. Ano ang iyong pangalan? Ano ang gusto mong kainin? What do you want to eat? Gusto is want, and then kainin is to eat. Ano ang gusto mong kainin? Ano na ang oras ngayon? What time is it now? Oras is time, and then ngayon is now. Ano na ang oras ngayon? Ano ang ginagawa mo? What are you doing? So gawa is like do, ginagawa is doing, present tense. Ano ang ginagawa mo? Ano ang problema? What's the problem? So a problema is a problem. Ano ang problema? The third one is saan, which translates to where in English. Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Tira is live. So saan ka nakatira? Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? To make punta means to go or going to somewhere. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan mo nakita ang iyong susi? So where did you find your key? Kita is like find, to find, yeah, or to see. And then a susi is a key. So saan mo nakita ang iyong susi? Saan nang galing ang mga bulaklak? Where did the flowers came from? So nang galing is like came from, and then a bulaklak is a flower. Saan nang galing ang mga bulaklak? Saan mo inilagay ang aking libro? Where did you put my book? So lagay is place or put. And then a libro is a book. Akin is my. So saan mo inilagay ang aking libro? The fourth one is kailan, which translates to when in English. Kailan ang iyong kaarawan? So when is your birthday? Kaarawan is birthday. So kailan ang iyong kaarawan? Kailan tayo magkikita? So when will we meet? Tayo is like us, and then magkikita is to meet. So kailan tayo magkikita? Kailan mo matatapos ang proyekto? So when will you finish the project? So tapos is to end. So kailan mo matatapos ang proyekto? Kailan mo binili ang bago mong sasakyan? So when did you buy your new car? Kailan is when, and then bago, that's new, and then a sasakyan is a car. So kailan mo binili ang bago mong sasakyan? Kailan mo napanood ang pelikula? So when did you see or watched the movie? Kailan mo napanood ang pelikula? The last one is bakit, which translates to why in English. Bakit ka galit? Why are you angry? Galit is angry. Bakit ka galit? Bakit hindi ka pumunta sa party? Why didn't you go to the party? To make punta means to go or to attend or to visit or to see. So bakit hindi ka pumunta sa party? Bakit mo sinabi iyon? Why did you say that? Sabi is like said. Bakit siya umiiyak? Why is he or she crying? Iyak is crying. Bakit tayo late? Why are we late? Bakit tayo late? And that is all about the Filipino question words, and I do hope you learned something new from this video. Maraming salamat and see you in the next one.